Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for AvantiFeed, which is a very popular stock, and it has been in the news in so many magazines for its consistent price rise. People who had bought the stock at a very early stage had minted money and had become millionaires and had become millionaires actually. This is a very good stock, and it has been consistently growing. And people actually there is no need to do the technical analysis for the stock. Why? Because so many people know this, but still, whoever is new to this stock market, for their sake, I am doing this analysis and I am creating this video. And people who have been in this industry, they know very well about the stock, and I am telling you guys, if you had not invested in the stock so far, it is the right time for you to invest and make money. And people who had already invested, I really appreciate them for their for their belief in this particular stock, that it will grow one day to this level, which has not seen foresaw by so many people. Okay, we have to really appreciate them. Okay then, for people who are new to this particular stock, AvantiFeed, I'm going to do the technical analysis for this particular stock right now, and let you know why this particular stock is good for long-term investment. Okay, what you are seeing right now is the monthly chart of AvantiFeed, and you are seeing the price history and a few other technical indicators like RSI, MACD momentum, ADX, moving averages, Darvas, super trend, etc. Okay, I have here data since 2016, not much. Okay, 2016 last year's since last year. Okay, what in even last year also, 2016 also, this particular stock was trading below 500 in 2016. Okay, January, the stock was trading below. Below 500 means it was trading at 333. But today, this particular stock, this stock has been trading at 2,791.75 paise. This particular price difference itself tells us that why we have to invest in this particular stock. Okay, and so if you look at the price history, price trend, until 2016 November, this stock has been moving sideways. Okay, only after 2016 November, that means from December onwards, it started its upward journey, and it is still continuing. It is still going on. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you can see the green color can is all the way. Across. Sticking to the trend line there. Okay, that is the thing. And this particular stock has crossed its 10-day moving average also. That is very good. Actually, 20 normally we see when it comes to moving average, we look at 50, we look at 20. So 200 I am not talking about. I am talking about 50 and 20 here and here, and even 10. It has crossed even 10 also. It is the price is the trend is playing. This particular stock is playing on top of the 10-day moving average, which is a very good sign. I really like this stock. Okay, the way it is moving, really, we need to appreciate that. So now we will see whether this. So far, it has grown. Okay, very good. Will it grow further? That is the question for so many investors who are planning to invest at this moment. So for them, I am going to do the analysis. I am going to tell you that RSI right now, if you are seeing, RSI has already made a slope on top of the 80 line, and it is consistently going in parallel to the 80 line, top 80 line, which is a very good sign, and which indicates that the price is going to rise further. Okay, and look at the MACD. You see the gap there between the signal line and the trend line, signal line and the red line. See the gap, and look at the tip of the signal line. It is going in the upward direction, and that means it is diverging. It is diverging from the red line, and that means more gap is getting created, and this gap is directly proportional to the price movement of the stock. Okay, and look at the histogram bars. All are populating, all are in green, and all are populating on top of the baseline. And look at the size, which is very good. And look at the momentum graph. Momentum graph is playing on top of the baseline. That means zero line is the baseline, and look at the tip of the momentum bar. it is looking in the upward direction here. Okay, and look at the ADX, green line on top of the red line, and the trend line is also good, signal line is also good, and no, displays the strength. This line displays the strength of the stock, the direction, the way it is moving. Okay, that means 47.18. Okay, this is very good. Okay, so all these indicators, all these technical indicators are telling us the same thing, that this particular stock will grow further. And even if you had not invested so far, and if you are planning to invest right now, so don't hesitate, you can invest. And once you, I mean, there is a hope that the price is going to rise, and all the technical indicators are showing us the same guiding point, and the guiding point is that the price is going to increase in future. Okay, so this particular stock is for the long term investors, and whoever has already invested, definitely they might have made a lot of money. And actually we need to appreciate those people who had already invested. Why? Because they foresaw that the stock is going to rise up to this level. Okay guys, this is the analysis for the stock. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.